Hello there, welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make one of my favorite quick fix, and that is Indomie noodles. If you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing and let's get started. Now into your boiling water, go ahead to add in your Indomie noodles and prepare as per your pack's instruction. And once it's done, go ahead to strain. I did not add the seasonings that usually come to it at this particular stage. I will go ahead and show you the rest of my ingredients. I have carrots, green bell peppers, peas, onions, and sausages. You can use whatever choice you prefer. And I also have 1 clove of garlic and a piece of ginger, and that is already minced. Next, into your pan, go ahead to add in your sausages and fry them. Once that is done and they are ready, go ahead to add in your garlic and ginger. After about a minute, I went ahead to add in my veggies. I started with the carrots and the peas because they cook a little bit longer. Then I went ahead to add in my onions. You can use any veggies that you prefer. Please do not feel limited with what I am using. You can use the colored bell peppers, equally beautiful. And then I went ahead to add in my seasoning, and that is Royco cube. Specifically the chicken flavor, because I was using the Indomie chicken flavor. So added a little bit of cumin, salt, and a little bit of black pepper. I would also like to state that I did not use the seasoning from the Indomie pack, but in case you want to skip all the seasonings that I have used, just go ahead and use the seasoning pack. Next, go ahead to add in your strained Indomie noodles and stir everything and mix them perfectly together. I finished that up by adding a little bit of soy sauce. Stir for about a minute and your Indomie noodles are ready to serve. And there you have your noodles. They were so good, very fast to prepare, and I'll definitely recommend this recipe for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next recipe. Bye bye.